Hello everyone, in this video we are solving question 7 from the IMAT 2024 paper, and this is a percentage question. So the question asks, two consecutive discounts of 10% and 20% are equal to a single discount of. So we have different values, and many students may think of just adding to equal 30%, but that is not how consecutive discounts work. So a way to solve it would be to imagine the original price to be $100 because it's easier to use 100 when working with percentages. 20% of 100 is simply 20. So after the first discount, 100 minus 20 would be equal to $80. Now apply the second discount. This is where many students may make a mistake. The 10% discount isn't taken from the original $100. It's taken from the new price, which is $80. So finding 10% is actually easy. You just move a decimal point to the left. So 10% of 80 would be 8. Now subtract that. 80 minus 8 would give you $72. So after both discounts, the final price is 72. Since we started with 100, we've saved 100 minus 72, which is 28. So the single equivalent discount is 28%, which is option A. So that's the solution. Remember, when you see consecutive percentage changes, make sure you don't add the percentages, just apply them one after the other. And I'd suggest using 100 as your starting value because it is easier to work with. So if you found this useful, make sure to like and subscribe and visit imatmock.com for more practice questions. Thank you.